tree. Are you admiring our tree? Did you like that tree?
The tree is turning around.
You like that Aunt Poppy's tree? Yes. Look at that nice smile. Yes, she was the shopping girl. You like? She was the shopping girl. Yes. She knows how to go to the mall now and shop. Yeah, Poppy? Who made that noise? Was that Mama? Was that Mama?
Flashing. Flashing.
Little Miss Moon. I was liking that tree.
She's trying to get these laughs out of her out loud ones, you know, instead of just the smiles. Look how quiet it is. Nice.
Mommy
Oh,
throwing
she's
you
a
kisses?
baby.
Mommy throwing you kisses? Yes. Yes. And Poppy's waving. Say hi, Poppy. Hi, Poppy.
It's Poppy's little girl.
Noonie, woo doo 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 doo. Yes.
What's he doing?
Oh, 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 look at that ceiling up there.
You checking for cobwebs?
Lights.
Are you checking for cobwebs up there?
Oh, she's checking the lights. She don't miss a trick.
Mama, get over here. Come on.
Look at her, look at her, look. Look. Oh my. Oh. Look at that big ceiling. How am I going to get up there? Huh?